Hello guys, I'm gonna be here to talk to you guys about Neo and where I feel it could go in the short term. So lately it's been bullish. Lately it has been bearish as the market went up, but it eventually came down. And I separated the resistance and support so you guys could see how the market has been trading between these two, the resistance and the support. It broke out over here, but as you can see, it's been going down in this downwards trend line where I believe it's been since around May when it was barely starting to go down. So as you can see, it used it as resistance right here. It broke out of it, but it eventually ended up breaking the line, and now trending within this downwards trend line. And as you can see, it eventually broke out. So we zoom in around this area. It eventually broke out, and now it's trading back in, but ended up getting rejected again. And as you can see, since when we had our big move to the upside, our volume has steadily our volume steadily steadily right here. Well, you could see that it has been decreasing. So if we don't get a large volume by tomorrow, I guarantee you guys that it's gonna go back and fill the gap down here at around $11. So that's where I feel. Well, what am I doing? Sorry about that. Damn, what's up with this? Oh, there you go. Sorry about that. But yeah, let me change the time frame also. In the 4-hour chart, we see that it tried holding the support, this second line, the support, but it eventually ended up trading back down. And you can see it tried holding it again right here, but we eventually broke down, and we're right here currently. But I feel as though it might end up holding it as a form of support. As a form of resistance. And if it does, 1190 is where I feel we could go. And I want to show you guys something. The RSI bars, and not just the RSI bars, but the 20 EMA. As we can see over here on this side, the bars were reddish greenish, same thing. And over here it went up. As you can tell, over here we have similar bars forming, and we continue to go up. But now look at where we're at the moment. A lot of red bars forming, and that signifies that we are going to go down. So as you can tell in the 4-hour chart, a more clear picture right here, the bars formed, and they were more towards, like, if this was a healthy pullback and people bought back in. But this over here seems more as if it's trying to break through. And as you can see in the 4-hour chart, these candles right here they might look like they're going up when we take it off, but it's probably going to follow the trend, and it may go down pre-market tomorrow. And I'm looking at, thankfully for me, I placed puts at a when I seen that it touched um the resistance at this point. if you would have watched my other video, you would see the move that I predicted. It came true. So now we're going to the 3 to 4 move, which is 2, the line right here, number 2, to the support at 1. So that's where I feel we're gonna go. And the lines that you draw are basically the resistance and support areas to help you know where price action is trading. And when you watch a lot of YouTubers distinguish these lines, you get confused because you wonder why there's so many lines. But I'm here to show you guys that it's the resistance and the support, and the middle is where it's been getting supported at some different times, but it's been trading between this resistance and support. Yes, it broke out, but it eventually traded back. As you can tell, overall, we are getting less volume too. We're getting less volume, meaning that the price action over here and the volume that we received right here is not nearly going to be as good as the volume we're receiving right now. And that's why we are going down, as you can tell. And I feel NIO is going to go down for tomorrow. So that's my take on NIO and where I feel it's going to go. Like and subscribe. Thank you for those who watched to the end. Hope you like this content and learn from it. We're trying to make money.